to Peekaboo. And this is just a small traffic where?
In Pangani.
Pagani. Pangani make you Ani. From side to side.
These are matatus. We concentrate here because you don't want your car blood clot leaked by these matatus. This is Pangani. Look at traffic.
Welcome to the traffic jam.
Those are
intention. You know, say man of order, man not take back that. And you know, say when you judge royal, we know Victor and Damian Marley and Nas. How you doing? Got to keep on going on the road to Zion, yeah. You gotta keep on going, yeah.
Jamaica in Kenya.
Yeah, so this is what it's like, family. You're going through Pangani.
Now we are on Moranga Road.
Oh, Moranga Road, okay.
Yeah. And then we go through Professor Wangari Maathai Road.
Yeah.
And see it there up. They say that is where we split between the rich and the poor.
It's right. You look trying to pass this blood clot speed. Blood clot, happiness, flat smoke.
Yeah. They say that is where we split. As you can see, on this road there are no matatus.
Yeah.
It's just private cars because we are heading to Westlands. And where else? Parklands, if you like.
Parklands.
Yeah, Limuru Road and all that.
Yeah.
And all those are posh areas. Yes.
This is Nairobi. I can just remember this video. Like I was watching Mara in Jamaica the other day's video. And the lady said that she don't want to come to Kenya.
Guys, because of flights.
Because of flights.
Nairobi.
This is Nairobi, the city. And this is the best city. I like the city is like the best city in Africa. Why? Because it's green. There's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
Like cities in the west, it's just concrete jungle. There's no trees.
Just tall buildings.
Yeah, and as you know, they get oxygen from the trees, family. Go down on the bridge and just go around, right?
No, if you're going to Peekaboo, you use up.
Use up. Okay.
Use up or down? Yeah, up.
Yeah, families, I really appreciate my wife because she really know the roads. I want to kind of commend her for that. She know the roads. And as you know, as a foreigner, I'll have to be using waves to find everywhere.
By the way.
And I'm happy to have her by my side because you know what I mean. It take a while for you to actually, learn the roads and stuff. So you say we go up?
Yeah, you just follow up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Up.
So that
up
you go
down.
You go down through Museum Hill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Up.
Alright.
So that's the road going down, this one.
Okay,
so, but if you were going to Sarit, you could have used this.
So use this one.
Yeah. So this is Museum Hill.
Museum Hill, family.
This is the museums of Kenya. Yeah, like this one. We have road signs, you can't get lost.
Oh yeah.
Going to Kisumu, when you're going to
city. There's no way you can go in a city so green like this. So we heading to Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo is for you.
Yeah. Now this is Waiyaki Way Road. You know this road?
Yeah, yeah.
That's true. Waiyaki Way.
Everything that I say.
Kempinski is just there.
Everything that I say. Everything was straight. Yeah?
We keep going.
How many minutes?
5.
Okay. You can pause it here and then turn it on again when you see like a
How do I pause?
nice spot. Just press the red button to stop. Stop it, pause it on. You can tell them where.
Yeah, we are in Riverside.
Oh, Riverside.
Riverside Drive. Riverside Drive. We are headed to Westlands. Riverside. You've seen Riverside Park? Okay. Those are posh areas where houses go for like a 2-bedroom for like 200,000 or 70K.
Are we in the middle of Westland now?
Yeah.
And that's like the BMW shop.
Yeah.
Land Cruiser, Land Rover.
Jaguar.
Yes, my dream is to actually go into one of the showroom, going that way,
Yeah.
and actually pull out. That's the BMW.
We pull out here.
BMW Nairobi. BMW Nairobi.
BMW there. Here.
Yes, my dream is to actually go inside, you know, a dealership and get a car with.
Traffic light. It's what?
One thing I like with Nairobi, there's not so many traffic lights going on.
That way.
There's a stop.
Stop.
All right, go. Stop. All right, go.
But it's stopping for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's very short, and like it has the number to count down.
Yeah. So we are almost.
So where we at?
We are almost Peekaboo. Which road is this again? Lantana Road.
Lantana Road.
Yeah.
That's Langata.
No, not Langata. You see here how we have nice one apartment.
Oh yeah. That's the thing for me. What I like with Kenya is like you can live in the city and you still feel like you're in a, you know what I mean? In a nice, you know, environment. Because the city is so green.
Wow.
Yeah, let's turn it
There's some
side by
tall
side.
buildings that I can't capture. I don't know.
I think you can turn it side by side. Yeah, all of these
This
like
is
restaurants
Kenya
and stuff,
Continental.
hotels.
Wow, it
Yeah, this
looks
is actually
nice.
the city. Look at this is the city.
Yeah.
That city.
Imagine you're inside the city. Somebody might think you're in the
Nairobi
outskirts.
City.
Very green.
Very green. Fresh vegetable.
Freshy. There are nice apartments coming up there.
Yeah.
Although you don't want us to live in Nairobi. Well, because of the cars and fields and
Nice and stuff.
we are
Yeah, fam, so we almost reach Peekaboo.
I feel like we are almost there. We keep going. Wow.
What's that? The restaurant? Small food.
Imagine it's that cheap, they cook there, it's clean.
And the road.
Eh. Today the place looks far.
Yeah, I feel like I reached so quick.
Oh yeah?
It's here again.
Up top.
This place is called
look at
what?
this nice apartment.
It's called
Rafter Road.
Rafter Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, fam, the Peekaboo is on Rafter Road.
There's an apartment. We are here.
It's right here.
Yeah. On Rafter Square.
Rafter.
Rafter.
This is Art Cafe.
Yes, we are at Peekaboo.
Peekaboo is right there.
Peek-a-boo.
Peek-a-boo.
Baby Hamesh, your crib is coming.
Yeah, fam, so we're here to get a crib and we're just gonna get that while we go.
Oh my god, parking. Let's look for parking.
Yeah, parking. Yeah, family, so we just reached at Peek-a-boo and we're gonna go upstairs, see what we can find, if we can find that crib.
Yeah.
You see, you did look at it online, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what does it come with?
A sleeping net. Mosquito net.
Come with sleeping net and what?
Just a mosquito net.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, fam, this is Art Cafe. Oman Beyond. Maybe they have something there. Art Cafe. Have nice flowers. Look at those flowers. Up. Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're in Peek-a-boo, but I need to use the restroom. I need to piss. Let me piss and come.
Driving through where, Kitty? Yeah.
Look at those big houses. So guys, all of this is like Kembu. The richest
county.
Richest county is Kembu. Recording before?
No, I turned it off because it was showing the dashboard.
Yeah, family, so we actually had where you call this?
We are headed to Village Market.
Oh, Village Market, that's our street?
No, well, you're asking where we are right now. Where we, let's say we are oh my god. Well, I know we are headed to Village Market.
Nairobi City County. Yeah, family, this is like a...
Remember this road?
Yeah, it's like a market place.
This is written no matatus allowed.
Yeah.
So when you live here, it's just...
yeah, as you can see, if you want like traditional stuff, these baskets and stuff, wooden stuff.
Nice beds, yeah.
Wooden
chairs.
stuff, you get it right
How
there.
those chairs out now?
Wow, it's nice.
You want pots, vases, all them vases.
We can still gang up and teach them about the Kikuyu culture, see?
Okay.
There's so much videos we need to do. I did a video today talking about the Mogomo tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me Tatu. So this is Limuru Road.
Oh, this is Limuru Road.
Yeah.
You guys, so it's a sunny day. It seems like we're back to ask
See a
something.
lot of wooden knives.
Seems like we're back to summertime now or something.
Yeah.
Back to summertime, man. At summertime, every massive room come along.
Hey.
Yeah, sometime in the summer.
You know why they bring these wooden things here? These nice wooden mahogany things.
Yeah.
Because they know Muzungu likes those.
Like those
they
things.
buy.
They don't have those things in the country.
No. And it's very expensive, I can imagine. But I feel like once you have such a anything made in that wood in your house,
Yeah.
you don't need to keep true.
This is actually UN Road now.
UN Avenue, yeah, it's written here.
Oh, it's UN Avenue.
Mm-hmm.
So far, this is UN Avenue. This is where all of the United Nations, the government and all kind of stuff, all of these people that were meddling Kenya business, this is where them stationed. The US Embassy is right up there.
At what? Yeah, that's. At least, oh, we see we don't have flies in Kenya. No, but what makes me laugh is that.
But I think like that stigma is on Kenya, sweetie. That stigma, that fly thing is on. That stigma is on Kenya. When you talk about Kenya, that's what people think about Kenya for.
Yeah. But I feel like as Africans, when you're walking around, like when you go outside the country, you should represent your country with some poise. You know, you understand?
You know what I mean? And that's what I'm saying, sweetie. It's time now for people to stop, try to be convincing people. That's the United States Embassy, the family.
Yeah.
They say it's the greatest.
It's the biggest one.
The greatest country in the world, that's what they say. The greatest empire. Falling empire is the United States. The United States Empire.
Then this is Jesus Christ.
You have to be convincing people about Africa.